A new security order may rise with the Northeast Asia trio. The Republic of Korea, the U.S., Japan, the Trilateral Summit is scheduled on August 18 to convene in Camp David, the presidential retreat nestled in the vicinity of Washington, D.C. For the first time, the leaders of South Korea, the United States, and Japan will convene a standardized tripartite meetings that diverging from the traditional and Lendezvos and international conference. According to the President's office, these leaders will engage in comprehensive discussion regarding the crucial agenda of forming an unified front against the North Korea nuclear threat and enhance cooperation with the global supply chain. Currently, the North has threatens that talking of a U.S. ballistic missile submarine in Busan could potentially trigger the application of our nuclear personnels. Ordinarily, the leaders of South Korea and the U.S. and Japan encounter each other during international forums. However, this unique gathering significant the exception of enhanced pace of trilateral cooperation. President John Biden's gesture of inviting the South Korean and the Japanese leader to Camp David, a site rich with diplomatic history, is interpreted as a deliberate strategy, amplified the significance of this trilateral dialogue. Rumors also swirled around the potential emergence of a new trilateral consultative mechanism of Northeast Asia Trio, indicated an ambition to transcend the boundary of conventional summit meeting for the three nations. Historically, the trilateral cooperation among these countries has endured albeit primarily in the form two parallel U.S.-centered bilateral alliance due to ongoing rivalry and discord between South Korea and Japan. However, with the North Korean nuclear threat which alarms hate the agents for the trilateral security cooperation has corresponded escalated. A robust foundation has been laid for the significant recent progress in South Korea-Japan bilateral relations, underscore the dire need for the South Korea-U.S.-Japan trio alliance primarily triggered by North Korea nuclear and missile threat. Recently, North Korea presently demonstrated its missile prowess around the time of the inaugurated U.S. Republic of Korea Nuclear Consultative Group meetings 2 years ago. North Korea commenced to deploy tactical nuclear weapons, legalized pre-emptive nuclear strike last year, and it's now threatening to execute pre-emptive nuclear attack, the retaliation to dock of U.S. SSBN in Busan. As the severity of these threats escalated, the alliance invariably strengthens North Korea intensified provocation and threat only serve to invite more U.S. strategic agents into the area, including the strategic bomb, aircraft carrier, and the nuclear submarine. The Biden administration has aspired to involve the Republic of Korea, U.S., Japan trio into security consultative mechanism to counterbalance China. Following the model of Quad security dialogue between the U.S., Japan, India, Australia, the Nuclear Submarine Alliance, AUKUS, this developed potential strength tension with the South Korea-China relation. In this strategic realignment, some friction is inevitable, and the test of diplomatic competition lies in the mitigation. South Korea faces a formidable challenge constantly engaged in resolve North Korea nuclear issue. Will it maintain harmony with its largest trading partner?